Now, as we look at our problems, we had 25 minus 5. We changed it to 25 plus negative 5. Then we had 7 plus 7. We had 7 minus negative 7. That changed to 7 plus 7. Then we had negative 5 minus negative 25, and that changed to negative 5 plus 25. Now I need the actual simplified versions. Okay? The actual simplified version. Gabby, what is 25 plus negative 5 equal to? That is correct, positive 20. Okay? The reason it's positive 20 is because you take the absolute value of 25 and you subtract the absolute value of negative 5 from it. So we took here's our absolute value signs, and that gives me 25 minus 5, and that's equal to 20. Now, you will notice that one is exactly the same. This is just what you've really been doing since, first, second, third grade, whenever it was. That's just a regular subtraction problem. But you need to get in the habit of changing the subtraction to addition just so, A, you know how to do it, because like in seventh grade, in the other seventh grade class right now, we're in chapter 7, and we're having to take this process and apply it to more complicated problems, okay? And so that's why you need to understand what we're doing here each time that we're doing it. Okay, now, then what is 7 plus 7? Colton. 14, okay? That one's easy because it was, basically just a regular problem once we changed it from subtraction. The last one, negative 5 plus 25. Okay, negative 5 plus 25, Cameron? No, not negative 30. Not negative 30. Trinity, what did you get for negative 5 plus 25? 20. The answer is 20 because look, everybody, this problem and this problem are exactly the same. The commutative property says that I can flip those two things around and it's the same problem. Okay, so this problem is, also 25 plus negative 5. So if the first one is equal to 20, then the second one has to be equal to 20. Okay, Lily? 5 plus 25 is 30, but would you be confused if this happened to you? Okay, I took away $5, but then I gave you back 25. Did you gain $30? No, you gained $20 because I took 5 from you on Monday, and then I gave you back 25 on Tuesday. So you got $20 that you gained. You didn't gain $30. Other thing that we look at is if we did this out and we had 5 negative signs, and then we had 25 plus signs. Okay, I'm not going to do all of them. Okay, but we know that these are going to cancel each other out. Okay, leaving me with 20 more positive signs that I didn't draw. Okay, that's why it's positive 20. All right, any other questions? Okay, now, look at number 2. Everybody look at number 2. On number 2, it says match the subtraction expression with the equivalent addition expression. Okay, and number 2 has negative 7 minus 3. So number 2 says negative 7 minus 3. So if we convert that to addition, then what is the new expression going to be if we convert that one to addition? Levi.
Negative 7 plus negative 3.
Yes. Negative 7 plus negative 3. So, which one of the letters A, B, or C, or D, does that expression match? I need to look at my heading. Okay, what does that expression right there, Look at the A, B, C, and D underneath it and tell me which one that it's equivalent to. Isaiah. What? C, yes. C is in cat. So the answer to number 2 would be C. Okay? They don't want you to simplify it down to -10. They want you just to put which expression mirrors that expression. And it's this one. Okay? So that's what you're doing on those 2 through, I think it's 2 through 6, 2 through 5. Okay. All right? So here's what I want you to do. You're going to break up into groups, and we're going to start. It's not going to be homework unless your group doesn't do a whole lot. I'll let you break into groups of 3. We're going to do, right now, today, we're going to do 6.3, and we're going to start 2 through 22. Okay? Well, like I said, it's not going to be homework unless you just do nothing. Okay? So I want you to break into groups. You must show, listen, sit, Jesse. You must show all of this work. The changing of it from subtraction to addition, and then the addition rule here, the 25 minus 5, and then equals 20. Okay? You must show that. If you don't, you're not going to, if you just come in with answers, it's going to be all wrong. Okay? Huh? We will probably grade it at the end of class tomorrow. We will not grade it tomorrow at the beginning. I'll give you more time in class tomorrow to finish it. Okay? All right, so I want you to get started on it. Break it into groups of no more than 3 and get started.